Hi there, I'm Brian, one of the MECP certified technicians here at Mobile Masters of Las Vegas. Please take a moment and scroll down to select the correct add-ons that you're looking to have done. You will receive an email confirmation from us, so if you don't see it, make sure to check your spam folder. If you still don't find it there, just text our tech line at 702-763-3212. If your installation requires parts, we highly recommend using Crutchfield.com, or if you'd rather, we can send you purchase links directly to Amazon so we can complete your installation for you. Don't forget, we also have discounts available for senior, military, and student. But in order to receive these discounts, you have to make the purchase at the time you schedule your appointment. And hopefully this makes things short and sweet for you, and your experience a little more pleasant. Also, we get asked quite a bit why we don't sell products. The reason being is you can often find products a lot easier, faster, and cheaper on your own. Our time is more efficiently spent doing your installation and making sure it is a professional quality installation, and that's where our most valued time is. Another thing is when the temperatures are too hot or too cold, we request that you make some slight accommodation for us, whether it be pulling the car in the garage, putting a tent, bringing out some fans, maybe even a space heater. And if the weather does get too extreme, we might have to completely reschedule your appointment for a later date. Thank you so much from Mobile Masters, Las Vegas.
Do you control the dream? Do you control the dream?